Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use DeepSeek API. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepSeek website right here at deepseek.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can get started logging into your account. So first things first, we are going to need an account. You can go ahead and create an account by clicking start now right here. This is going to enable you to register for an account if you don't already have one. And if you have one, you can just log in normally and now we can get started. So we can get started using the API by going right here into the upper right corner on the official main page into the API platform option. By clicking API platform is going to enable you to log into your account that you have just created, and now we can get started. So here you can take a look at your dashboard, your balance, and so on, everything you need. And at the left side of the screen, you have the API keys. So the API keys are going to enable you to create new API keys that you can use for your website to integrate DeepSeek. So by clicking create new API key, you can enter in the API key you want to create right here, and after that you can create it and add it successfully to your DeepSeek right here. If you need any more help, right here at the left side screen, you have the documents page, you have the frequently asked questions, pricing, anything you might need, you can go ahead and access from here to take a look at how to invoke the chat API and how to get started with using it and integrating it for yourself. So go ahead and take a look at it for yourself. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.